This winter, join Sorted Food for a live-streamed weekend of food and fun. With a killer twist. Sorted Live presents The Last Bite. Watch as assorted guys are thrust into a manor house of mystery, cooking challenges, games, and professional actors having to hilariously improvise to survive. It's part feast, part whodunit, where we bring the food and you solve the crime. Secure your seat at the table now.
Welcome to Poker Face. The game is simple. In front of us there will be 4 pieces of food. 3 are delicious. 1 is definitely not. It's designed to create an extreme bodily reaction, but looks identical to the others. We will all eat at the same time, attempting to keep a poker face, so no facial reaction. At the end of each round, we'll have to guess who we think had the bad bite and tally the scores as we go.
This is going to be a good one. Are you ready, boys?
No. When does a doctor's note expire, by the way?
It's one of those fantastical doctor's notes that has no date at the end of it.
There's a statute of limitations on a
yourself.
doctor's note, and I'm saying it's next episode.
Barry, would you like to lift the cloche on dish number 1?
Not really.
Here we have pork cry. Pork pies like this have been loved since medieval times. One of these, though, is almost certain to be hated, with the inclusion of undercooked pork rind, overcooked meat, and a chewy pig jelly.
Oh dear, so this is just going to be
Pig on pig on pig.
horrible texture.
This is hard to hide, isn't it?
Undercooked, it's better than raw. I'm
However-
going for the positives.
However, 3 of you are going to have a delicious pork pie.
Shall we?
Dig in.
Let's.
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. I think it's a bite and hide the pie.
Cheers.
Pie.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hot water crust pastry, spiced sausage meat, little jelly to hold it all together. Some people might be being held together a little bit more than others.
Really, really delicious. Beautiful seasoning.
Oh, we're going to finish these, yeah?
How many bites have you had, Kush?
I've had one big one.
Okay. Yeah.
You, Michael?
I will take another if
I'll
it's
join you.
required for the game.
No.
Cheers.
Cheers.
But the spicing works lovely with a little British coriander seed and orange peel.
Now remember, 3 of the boys have a delicious pork pie, whereas one of them has something a little bit untoward. We have to try and guess between us and between them who that one person is. Boys, if you finish your pork pie, feel free to scribble down the name of who you think has the pork cry.
It was good work there. Good work has been done, but I think I've seen straight through that work.
Interesting.
I think it's a little portion of bluff pie, if I'm honest.
Barry, who do you think had the pork cry? Kush?
It was me.
Are you sure it was Kirsch? Because he's still chewing it now.
Well done. I couldn't work it
A little
out.
bit of bluff pie going on there. It's because she's still going.
Oh, mate.
There's a lot of chunk in that.
Good first round.
It's always my favourite thing when Kush gets the bad one, because I know he's designed the bad one to be as bad as possible.
I'm okay. I'm all right.
Let's have a little bit. Go on, Mike.
You spent so long
For the
making
community.
it.
Just very chewy.
Well, it's rancid as well. It's like, oh.
Not rancid, it's in date. It was pork loin with the skin on that I just cooked for like an hour and a half in the oven.
Oh, it's just chewing on something that never ever goes.
Well,
As good as I was, you were better.
What?
The bluff. It was. He had Mike and I completely.
Really?
Well, he didn't say anything, and then I was
Little
like,
piggy
oh.
finger.
Great first round. Let's move on to round 2. Lovely. Right, Kush, lift the cloche on round 2. What we're affectionately calling creme brulee.
brulee. What's blue about it?
Please no. Please, Please,
I love creme brulee so much.
Is that because it's a silky custard topped with caramelised sugar?
Yes.
A true classic of French patisserie.
They're good ones.
Now, what would happen if just one of these had been given a pungent twist with a generous dose of blue cheese powder?
no, that's
favourite.
the worst.
Bring Becky back.
She liked it.
Oh, this is going to be hard to hide.
Dig in.
Anyone I can reach. We're going all in.
I
Yeah.
think. Do we have to?
Yeah.
I think we have to.
I think we have to.
Good luck.
Kanpai.
Bon appetit.
Everyone looking at me.
I think the pastry adds a nice little delicate, nuance to it.
Caramelisation spot on. Lovely
Yeah.
bitterness. Really, really
Right
tasty.
level of crunched custard.
Lovely vanilla coming
And the
through.
right level of bitterness as well.
Yeah.
Like, not too much. Sometimes they can get too dark.
Pairs well with the blue cheese.
Funky.
Or the vanilla. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Blue cheese and chutney goes together, so.
Anybody happy to write down a name?
The only one I can rule out is him because he hasn't thrown up.
It's not me, lads.
I think that's the tastiest one there. Yeah.
Barry Taylor, who do you think had the creme brulee?
I think Kush.
I think it was you, Barry.
I know for a fact it was me.
Baz, well played.
Well done, Evers.
At first I thought not terrible, and then it was so blue cheesy. You know when you have when a little bit of sick comes up. It was that really tough in the back of the throat.
Have we got another?
Yeah, we do.
Would you like a nice one, Ebbers?
I would love a
Would
nice.
someone else like a
on,
try a
Baz.
nasty one?
I'll have a whiff of
I'll have a dip. I'll have a dip of this.
Oh no, Jamie,
you pipe down.
I think Mike should do it.
I'll have a whiff of a bad one.
No, you pipe down.
Right, Jamie, pick one.
Yeah, go on, Jay.
Can't pick one.
There you go.
If I end up with other blue cheese, I'll be fuming.
Is that a good one? No, that's.
Oh, can you show do you want to show the camera the cut through?
Oh, wow. That's great.
That looks. Mike?
Go on, I'll try some.
Go on, Mike. Go on.
Let's see how quickly this round would have lasted.
Yeah.
If you like blue cheese, I don't think that is.
It's not horrific. A whole mouthful. It was only at first I thought actually that's not terrible,
But if you don't like blue cheese, that's going to be.
but then it starts to get in the back of your throat.
I didn't.
That's
We
good.
haven't
That's
got a
good.
bin. You got to finish it.
I had a
Food waste.
corner bin. Ugh, fuck.
That's going to be with you for a while now.
How did you eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
That is insane.
I regretted the all-in-one, but a little nibble's quite tasty.
Get this out of my face.
Oh, gosh.
You're insane.
Blue cheese and chutney.
Well, at the end of round 2, Ben is in the lead with 2 points. Kush has 1 point. Mike and Baz have 0 points.
Bad start.
Sort it out, boys.
As long as I don't get one, I don't care.
Round 3. Ebbers, please, do the honours. Boys, this
It's got a skin on it.
is corn fused. Sweet corn chowder is usually creamy, comforting, a little bit sweet. One of you will need to hide the fact that one of these is uncharacteristically sour. Thanks to a hit of citric acid.
If it's cream-based chowder with the sour, that's gonna curdly.
It took quite a few attempts to work. I made a lot of cottage cheese yesterday.
This is going to get the glands, isn't it, going?
Yeah. And full transparency, I thought this was too bad. Ed tasted it and said that's fine. So on our senior producer.
Ed, the well-known food critic.
Stomach of an elephant kneeling.
Go in?
Yeah.
Go in.
Pick your poison.
Chow
Down.
Slow down.
Sipper?
Yeah, I think so.
think that's
Gulper.
It's really creamy and delicious. I really like that you have to chew through the top. Really tasty.
Corn's great at this time of year.
So sweet, isn't it, as well?
I imagine it came out of a tin.
A bit both.
Bit both.
Yeah, bit both. Sweated out with a bit of
Sweated.
garlic.
Oh, that's it.
The white
Garlic.
from spring onion. Bit of turmeric in there for colour, balance. Loads of cream, loads of butter. How I used to make it when I worked in the US on the East Coast.
It's definitely heavy on the dairy. It's delicious.
Don't let me stop you drinking more, Baz.
Yeah.
Nor you, Kush.
I know what we're filming next, I don't want to fill up.
Okay, of course, yeah.
I can hear saliva glands squelching somewhere on this side of the table. I can't work out.
Squelching.
Squirting.
Yeah.
That's worse than squelching.
Squirting saliva.
Yeah. Your doctor's note.
All right.
Okay, boys, do you want to write down a name? Mike, do you want to start?
I thought it was Kush.
I thought it was Baz.
It was definitely me.
Yeah, definitely
You did amazingly well,
well
but
done.
I could see your eyes watering and they just looked so shiny. I was like, they really ping in the lights.
If you see how much I
Yeah, look how little you had.
Yeah.
drank, you have to all try this.
Yeah, well, I kind of weirdly like the kick of
Yeah.
this.
We've got a goodie and a bad.
because I was
Good in a
kind of-
baddie here.
Oh, these two are different colours.
They were. Well, yeah.
Well done. It's not the most painful,
I don't know which
but it's the
one's which.
hardest to hide.
Oh,
Yeah. It's fine, but it's so hard.
Try a little bit.
No.
Yeah, go on.
And then you get instant furry teeth as well.
oh, right there. Right there. You know what I mean about squelching and squirting?
And that is
How have you done that?
and that's the reason for my doctor's note.
The problem is, I know now that everything I taste from here on in for the next hour will be really sweet.
It's one of those ones if you go, it's just like gush.
I think you deserve a round of applause for that because
I knew it was that side. I could hear literally salivation from that side. I couldn't work out where.
it's giving me
Fair play, Kush.
instant indigestion.
Gives you the shakes.
Yeah.
Who thought?
Well, at the end of round 3, we have 2 in the lead, Ben and Kush, and 2 not in the lead, Mike and Barry. 1 each.
4 or 5 rounds?
5.
Oh.
And it'll get worse.
On to round number 4. Mike, feel free to lift the cloche on Barfi. Known for its sweet flavour and fudge-like consistency, Barfi is a sweet treat common in India and Pakistan, especially at celebrations. We made 1,000 of them in 24 hours for an Indian wedding. However, one of these we're calling Barfi because Kush has replaced the sugar with salt.
Oh. I know the odds don't change every round, but I'm pretty sure when it's salt, the odds are always not in Mike's favour.
He is a man for the salty ones.
I always do the salty ones and I can't handle them. Okay.
Dial in, pick up your Barfi.
I had one of these yesterday in full and I couldn't handle it.
Oh!
Half? Half.
I'll say half and we...
Half and hide.
You know,
see how it
each
goes.
other, keep on poking at the person who's got the bad one.
Oh, great.
Cheers.
Good luck.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now, fun fact that you probably don't know is that
Stop talking.
these treats are actually known as Barfi or Barfi. It is interchangeable.
Somebody's playing a good game.
Now, we did a half and hide. Is anybody happy to hide the other half in their mouths?
Sure, yeah.
Now, what you don't know is that as soon as we finish filming this video, 3 of us are in a 4.5-hour car journey together. And it's my car. Boys, would you like to write down who you think has the Barfi?
Everyone pick up the cardamom?
You're almost getting coconut as well. Is it coconut?
There's coconut powder on top.
Yeah.
Barry, do you want to reveal?
He was bluffing hard again, but I think it was Ben.
Ben didn't finish his.
Absolutely me. There was no way I was finishing that.
There was a moment where your arse fell out.
It's still really bad. It's like you know when you get tumbled in the sea with a big wave.
Yes.
You just get it goes up your nose as well as the back of your throat.
That is one of the most painful. When you get water up the nose, that and cramp, they only last a split second, but they're the worst pain ever.
But what was really weird was the very first put it in my mouth, I just got coconut and I was like, thank goodness. And then I was like,
I've got a look in your eye a few times of, I'm not okay. I need
I
help.
thought I'd get away with half. When you were like, go back for more, I was like, I can't do it.
Did you try a magician's little hide as well at some point?
No, I thought if I over bluff and make it so obvious,
okay.
maybe that'll work in my favour.
Well, it made me double think.
Yeah.
Well, as we enter the final round, it's still even Stevens for the lead between Ben and Kush, and the losers following up in the rear, Mike and Barry. Can someone pull ahead?
No,
Final round.
no, because the last one is always just impossible to do.
Are we finishing on a spicy one?
We're finishing a spicy one, but I was told I can't use any hot sauce.
Barry, we're back to you. Feel free to...
No, you do it. You do it.
Oh,
Yeah.
fine.
But do it in the third person, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jamie, lift the cloche. Final round. Hot mess. Eton mess, the cream, meringue and berry dessert. Now, it's not typically made with bird's eye chilies, but one of these is.
Bird's eye chilies and cream.
There were like 20, 30 bird's eye chilies in the fridge, so I just pureed them with the stalks and everything with some strawberries to make jam. That's layered throughout. And the rest are made with strawberry jam, you know.
Under his breath, Barry just went, Now, if Ben and Baz can pick very carefully, because they're the two going in my car later.
Come on! Come on!
Come on. So dig deep and scoopy scoop.
Yeah. I'm in the bottom.
And first one to finish wins.
No, okay.
20 to 30 bird's eye chilies blended up.
Well, this is always a game where it's a bit of a grower, so I think maybe we commit early.
I'll try to commit early. I don't really like Eton mess, it's too sweet for me.
I think there is some...
Excellent gameplay
Yeah.
at play.
Let me see.
Mike, who do you think had the hot mess?
I think it was Barry again.
I think somehow he's got the same hot finish.
I'm going to say Barry as well.
You held it so well.
That was good. That was really good.
The difference with
You can see the...
the difference with chopped up chilies is it's more akin to a really hot vindaloo in the spice. That is, oh god, that's too hot for me to finish a meal, but I'm not running around the room screaming.
Yeah.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So it's not like the hot sauce with all those extracts and chili
You know what I mean?
mashes.
Too much.
It builds up, it's really hot, but then it sits at that heat where you're like, oh, this is uncomfortable.
Oh, God.
I can't taste anything. It's not very nice. But
You did well.
You did really well though.
The good news,
Oh, you did really well.
the good news, Baz, is it's not Hayley's birthday today. That was yesterday. Whereas last year,
Yeah, but I'm in the car with you next now, mate, so enjoy. Oh,
mean,
I don't know how many in a row that is. That's either 3 or 4.
play.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
And you came last. Oh, no, you didn't actually. We came joint last.
well, yep, Mike and Baz came joint last. The chefs have absolutely stormed it with 4 points each. Well done, Ben and Kush.
I mean, another great round, and as always, one for them.
If you like that video, give it a like and comment down below and let us know your best horrible food pun names. We'll get Kush to make them into a horrible dish.
He doesn't need any inspiring.
Yeah, it's fine. That was fine.